Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently I made a video about rolling in slow motion and how it really helps you fine-tune your coordination, your motor control, helps improve your balance, and honestly it just feels ridiculously good. But you have to be patient, you have to be willing to just see how slow you can let your body roll. But that's the gist of it. You just roll in slow motion and it yields a lot of great benefits. But you can take that slow motion roll and apply it to any roll. The egg roll, the windshield wiper roll, any roll. And one roll in particular that you could apply it to really develop control along with strength, or really to develop strength along with control, I said it backwards, is the elevated roll. So this is pretty much the same way. You just move as slow as you can and allow the roll to work its way out. But because you're moving so slow, you have more time under tension, and it gives you the opportunity to develop strength along with your control. So really, all I'm really trying to do is encourage you to play with speed, or the absence of speed. Got a little fast there. In all your rolls. So take it from your segmental roll and put it in your elevated roll. And develop amazing control and strength. And it's another way to play and explore how you can move. And you can't feel what I'm feeling right now, but moving that slow, heart rate's up because all the muscular tension was up and the demand on my body was up. This is a tremendous way to build strength and control. And really they're the same thing. Strength and motor control, same thing. If you can control your strength, you have strength. You can express your strength. Anyway, play with your speed. Play with the elevated roll. You can do the egg roll. Now it's a 2-for-1 special. But even something as simple as how slow you roll your eyes, and this is actually too fast. But then letting or encouraging the body to follow the head. And you can control every facet of it. Even to still turning the head, still looking, still rotating. And then you just work it back around. And you can play with how the body follows the head, whether the legs stay together, whether they separate. Anyway, it's just another fun way to slow down the roll. To be able to control your movement and your strength. And to say, how you doing? So give that a shot this week. Play with the elevated roll. You can play with the egg roll in slow motion and just see how you feel, see how you do. See if there are aspects of it that you can try to make even slower. I mean, you can see on one of on part of the elevator roll I did part of it too fast. I can slow that down. You can just use it as a good challenge to really dial in your control. And the more control you have, the easier and the better life is because you can move as you want. All right? That's our tip for this week. Keep slowing your roll down. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.